Okay, this video is going to show you how to import furniture into your SketchUp model, the final piece of the puzzle. You can do it straight through 3D Warehouse, just like we did before, within SketchUp. When you first drag that into, drag it in, sometimes they're big, sometimes they're too small. So you can use the scale tool to scale those items of furniture down to the size that you require. I like to drag from top to bottom as the legs or the base of furniture tends to line up with the floor. Remember, you can use that rotate tool or the move tool by highlighting over the plus signs on that surface. Use a combination of the rotate and move tool to move your furniture into position. You can see here the legs are right on the ground. Something you can do is go online, TurboSquid, free 3D, obviously 3D Warehouse there, GrabCAD, CD Trader, 3D M3 or Archive 3D. These are all online 3D warehouses that people upload their 3D models to, and different websites have different things to offer. Paid for and unpaid. Obviously you don't want to be paying for things here. I'm just going to show you TurboSquid quickly. You will need to create an account if you do want to download anything, but you can use your school account there, your student account, which I've done so. I'm just going to type in couch to the search bar on TurboSquid. This is just an option. You don't need to do this. As you can see, some models here cost quite a lot of money. We only want to get SketchUp models as well. We don't have to worry about all those other types. So you can, a lot of these websites, you can set the filters so to only select what you're after. SketchUp models, which is .skp. Obviously we want free models. Depending on the website you're looking for things through, depends on how the filters work. I'm just going to select a couch here. On TurboSquid I can press the download button. Comes up with an extra dialog box here, but I just choose that .skp. Comes up with a whole range of files, but I can just choose the .skp, which is a SketchUp model. We don't want to choose the RAR file. We can't unzip, just want a better word there, file. So we just want to get the SketchUp model and download. Go through this process quickly again. Make sure you're picking up that SketchUp file. Click on it, it will download. And if if I click on it, it will just simply unzip. If I simply click on the file, you'll see it'll open as its own SketchUp model in a different file. So you don't really want to do that. You can exit that. What we want to do is import it into our initial SketchUp model. So pretend this is your house design. Go to the file. Make sure you've got SketchUp models for file types that it's looking for. You can click on that couch and press import. And there's that couch straight into your house design SketchUp model. The scale tool just to scale that couch down to what's appropriate for your room. What I'm going to show you here, if you click on the couch once, because it's a component, you can click on it multiple times until you get down to the individual components within that. I've clicked on it, double clicked on it many times to pick up the individual pieces, and then I can actually pick up the paint bucket tool and change the color of those lounge pieces. So even if you find a couch that you like the style or look of, but you don't like the colors, you can still change those specific elements to suit the style you've chosen to go with. Okay, and that brings to an end the videos on how to draw your house design in SketchUp.